Hi everyone, I will show you how to change Instagram email. First of all, open the Instagram app, go to your profile, then tap here and go to setting and privacy. Tap to the account center. Now go to the personal details and tap the first option, the contact info. Now you see the two informations, a Gmail and the contact number, and I want to change my Gmail. Then I tap the Gmail and you see the delete email option and tap the delete email option. Now the email is deleted.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.